Welcome back to Bike Buzzin'. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Harley Davidson VR2, one of the most anticipated bikes of the year. If you're a Harley fan or just a motorcycle enthusiast, stick around because this bike has some serious upgrades and innovations. Let's get into it. Design and style. The first thing that'll catch your eye about the 2025 Harley Davidson VR2 is its bold, futuristic design. Harley has completely reimagined their aesthetic while staying true to their iconic style. The VR2 features a sleek, aggressive frame, with sharp lines and a more aerodynamic build. The front end is slightly lower, giving it that stealthy, aggressive stance, perfect for riders who want both performance and head-turning looks. Performance and engine. Under the hood, the VR2 doesn't disappoint. Harley Davidson has equipped this model with a new, high-performance V-twin engine that delivers more torque and horsepower than previous models. With 120 horsepower and 100 lb-ft of torque, this beast can easily handle the highway or twisty back roads. And thanks to improved fuel efficiency, it's not just fast, it's also practical for longer rides. Technology. The 2025 VR2 brings cutting-edge tech into the Harley lineup. It comes with a fully digital TFT display that's not only sharp but customizable. Riders can easily access ride modes, navigation, and even adjust settings for suspension and traction control. The addition of adaptive cruise control and a connected smartphone app means you're always connected, whether you're on or off the bike. Comfort and handling. When it comes to comfort, the VR2 is designed with long-distance rides in mind. The seat is wider and better contoured than previous models, making those extended trips feel less taxing. Plus, Harley has upgraded the suspension system, providing a smoother ride over bumps and potholes. Whether you're cruising the highway or carving through corners, handling is tighter and more responsive. Safety features. Safety is always a priority, and the VR2 doesn't fall short. The bike comes standard with a suite of advanced safety features, including cornering ABS, traction control, and a linked braking system. All of these work together to keep you safe, even when conditions aren't ideal. Price and availability. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Harley Davidson VR2 will be hitting dealerships later this year, with a starting price around $25,000. While that's on the higher end for Harley's lineup, you're getting a bike that combines top-tier performance, advanced technology, and unmistakable style. Conclusion. To sum it up, the 2025 Harley Davidson VR2 is a game-changer. With its improved design, performance, and tech, it's clear that Harley is pushing the limits of what a cruiser can be. Whether you're a lifelong Harley fan or new to the brand, this is one bike you won't want to miss. Let us know what you think about the VR2 in the comments below. Does it live up to the hype? Thanks for watching, and don't forget